I have this subwoofer here, a 10-inch subwoofer here that was sent to me by this brown Clownya to review, and I just want to show you guys what comes in this. So let's start off with this subwoofer here. It's a little heavy, but see how slim this is? It's a 10-inch subwoofer, and I think these are actually pretty cool because back then you would actually need to buy the speaker, and then separately you would need to buy the amplifier. But this subwoofer actually comes with the amplifier installed already. And if you take a look here, we have where all for the power, we have the fuse already here. That's already, let me adjust the light a little bit. So you can see here the fuse, the inputs, outputs, all that. So you can see it already comes with everything that you need as far as the amplifier to power the subwoofer here. So I just thought that was actually pretty cool. Like I said, back then you would have to buy everything separately, but nowadays, I mean, and it's slim. Back then it used to be like a big case for the speaker and then the amplifier separately. But and then if you want to look at here, we have the speaker level converter. And if you look at this, like it comes with everything that you need. This is where you're going to control the power of the subwoofer. And this subwoofer has a max output of 1200 watts. And this is what's going to go connected from the subwoofer here, where it says remote control, and this. So this is going to go close to where you want to be able to control it, you know, by the driver's side or passenger side. And you can see all this just so you can screw it down, screw everything together. It also does come with a manual, and it actually shows you pretty much how to connect everything. There's also a wiring diagram on the product page for this. It just kind of gives you a quick overview of how to connect it. And I believe, like, if you're a DIYer, you can do this. If you don't know much about it, you can maybe look up a video and look up a similar subwoofer and see how to connect it. But overall, it's pretty much the same process for, I believe, all the subwoofers. Of course, it might be a little slightly different for other speakers or subwoofers, but I believe they're all kind of the same. I did install one in my Jeep Wrangler before, which was, you know, different apart from this. And it was a simple process. I installed it and I loved it, man. I really loved it. And I just loved the power of that bass. I just love how it felt. It comes with this. This is going to go, I believe, here, and it's going to go to your radio, if I'm not mistaken. But I like this. I like this because in my previous speaker, it did kind of throughout the years, or throughout the months, or probably years, I would say years, the cable did start going out on me just because of all the wear and tear. But this is actually good material, and this should last you a good few years before it even, you know, or maybe even just last you, period, like for a long time. Because it is good material here that they covered the wire, and they do that for that reason, so it can last longer. This is going to be your power source here. That's going to go on this side to you on the right. And again, it's been a while since I installed it, so I could be wrong, but here's some more parts for that. That's for the electrical part of it. Looks like a fuse here. This might go in the car actually here. And you have here, I believe this is also a fuse you can see inside. Because it's similar to the one that I installed before on my Jeep Wrangler. But again, this is pretty slim, so you can pretty much fit this anywhere. As long as you have, you know, a little bit of space for it. put it wherever you want it to be, where it's not going to be moving or sliding everywhere. But it's pretty compact, so I really like that about the speaker. But overall, this comes with everything that you need. You don't need to go to the store and buy other parts for it. You can just buy the kit. Everything comes in here, like I mentioned. If you're not too familiar, you can always look at the manual, the product page. You can always look up a YouTube video on how to wire this. I might install this later on and make a YouTube video for that, but as of now, I just want to show you what comes with it, and it's a pretty good deal that comes with the subwoofer and all the material or all the things that you need here. The only thing you need is tools and you're good to go.